Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make Twitter account or X account private. So let's get right into it. Head over to your web browser or your phone's mobile application, and then just head over to your X app, or just search for X in your web. Once you're there, you will get this interface, and then just tap on more, and then go to settings and privacy. And from here in your mobile application, you will see this interface right here. Then just go to privacy and safety. And from here, just tap on audience, media, and tagging. And from here, you just have to check mark all these, like protect your post, check mark it, tap on product. And once it is done, when selected, your posts and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. And if you protect your videos, then if you want to protect your videos, just check mark it. And here it says if selected videos in your posts will not be downloadable by default. This settings applies to posts going forward and is not retroactive. And from here, just tap on photo tagging and turn it off. And once it is done, you can be sure that your account has made private by you. So yeah, this is how you can make your account private in X or Twitter. So yeah, hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.